I just finished publishing a video for you guys on how to adjust the RPM speed on your Honda powered lawnmower. Just before that, I published a video on how to adjust the governor setting on one of these things properly too. If you guys missed that, I got 2 clickable links at the end of this video that you can click on and go back and see those videos if you want to. On both of those videos, I talk about how critical the governor settings are and that you can damage your engine by not adjusting that governor properly. On both of those videos also, I got comments from some guys saying, bullshit, you can't damage your engine by adjusting your governor wrong. Well, apparently, I gotta prove you guys wrong now. Here we go. Hey guys, welcome back to Steve Small Engine Saloon again. Thanks for tuning in as usual. Hey guys, I want you to go back to my website. Check my website out, stevesmallenginesaloon.com. I got a little quick link up here for you in the information button, get you back there fast. I just set the governor backwards on this engine on purpose to prove a point. It's a little pin that you can only turn on there like 1/8 of an inch, but it makes a world of difference to whether you're going to destroy your engine or not. I got my old Milwaukee going right here. I got my old Milwaukee hat on right now. Come outside with me, guys, and we are going to run this engine with the governor set backwards until something happens. And then we're going to bring it inside and we're going to pull this thing apart so we can see what kind of damage actually occurred in that engine when we're done here. Let's go. Now that was pretty cool, you guys. Did you see the little window that made in the side of the case right there? These things aren't supposed to have windows in them. Obviously, there was something that let go in that engine that blew that little piece of the case out right there. Blew that out of there to make that hole. We're going to find out what actually came apart in the engine to actually do that. This thing was running at 5,720 RPM, which is almost twice as fast as this thing is allowed to run. It still took half an hour for it to blow, which I think is actually quite impressive. I'm going to open it up right now. I'm not going to bore you guys with watching me do that. But I do have my little 1/4-inch impact driver, my DeWalt 1/4-inch impact driver. If you guys don't have one of these, I think you're crazy. Honestly, if you work in your own shop and you play with this stuff all the time, these are not that expensive. I have a link on my description to go back to a place and check one of these out if you want. I'm gonna drain the oil out of this thing right now, what's left of the oil. And then we're gonna see what happened inside that engine. Stay tuned. Okay, so I just got the last bolts pulled out of this thing. I'm prying this cover off. Right where that window was, right where that hole got blown through, as soon as I started pulling this cover, this piece fell right out. Right where that hole was. So whatever hit that and made that hole made a lot more damage than we thought. Look at that. That just fell out when I started pulling this off. I haven't got this off yet. I'm just starting to unglue it and pull the Honda bond off. Won't take long. There it comes. There it comes. There we go. There's the cover. Wow. Look at that damage. I don't even want to touch this until I do a close-up for you guys. Look at the damage in there. The connecting rod between the piston and the crankshaft completely blew apart. This didn't even break. This completely disintegrated. Look at all this shrapnel in here. That blew apart, you guys. That's bigger than a window. That's like huge. Unbelievable. So what's the moral of the story here? Set your governor properly. Don't set it wrong. It's either set right or it's set wrong. Simple as that. I got a clickable thumbnail coming right up at the end of this video that'll take you to my video on how to set that governor properly. That's pretty brutal, guys. Thumbs up, share, subscribe, throw some comments down. Till the next video, guys. I hope you thought that was interesting. I sure did. Never done that before. Steve out.